Yo, what is up, guys? Andy here, back again with another fucking recap, boys. Let's fucking go. What a fucking crazy good day today. Oh my god. Made 5,000 fucking, I don't even know. Oh my god. Two, shit, what is this? 270. 270. 420. 550. 690, $5,690 today on the fucking day with one trade. That's what we fucking do. One trade. Just took one trade. 3-5. No, 3-6. Right here. One trade. All this was yesterday. 3 trades yesterday. Holy fuck. Oh my god, guys. Wait, let me hide this shit for a second. Let me get all this shit out. Size, sure, 2. Entry price. Nah, we don't really need it. If we need the time, take that. Take that shit, because I know what I did. So yeah, we took this at 7:40, 1 minute and 34-second hold for $1,010 per account. So I took this at 7:40 right here. I know the candle. I know the fucking candle. Oh my god, boys. Oh yeah, what am I doing? Right here first. Right here. Took this at 7:40. Alright. So soon after, if the only mistake I made with this trade was entering oh wait, no, I entered perfectly. This is the 1 minute. My bad. So yeah, entered as soon as this candle formed. We ripped up. 16 points. I was in like $600, $700 max drawdown on this. I was getting kind of spooked. But the next minute, instantly down. In 1 minute, I was able to capture this entire candle. Okay, entire fucking candle. Actually, I do want to see the entry price and exit. Because I knew I caught like 27 points. It has to be, right? Manage columns. Okay. I actually want to have this in a different fucking thing because it's annoying. Okay, there we go. Okay. Entry price, 20,493. So exactly there at the start of the new candle. Okay, market filled. And then I was in drawdown. Okay, drawdown, 512 it hit max, but I was confident. Okay, and then what do? Boom. 466, I got out a tick before it started going back up again on that candle. Look at this shit. 20,466. This candle is at 20,466.5. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. Or I would have been screwed. If I gotten a little bit more greedier, I would have been screwed. Screwed to oblivion. And then it went back down again. Yeah, did it retest? It retested the same area, before it fucking flushed. Could I have held this? Yeah. But was I happy with $1,000 fucking dollars across 5 accounts? Yeah, so you better believe I took that bitch. I closed that shit out as fast as I could, bro. And I went to my girlfriend. I was fucking screaming. I was like, let's fucking go. You need to see how much money I made. Because she was there. And then she was in the bathroom getting ready. And in that minute, she got up, went to the bathroom, and put on her fucking clothes. We hit that. Minute and a half. That's what we do. Why did I take this trade? Morning, I didn't see anything good. I waited an hour and 40 fucking minutes for this trade, boys. Like, my patience has come a long way. You gotta give me that. You gotta give me credit for that. My patience has come a long way from where it was, okay? I was fucking gambling the open, okay? I was gambling the fucking open. Trading, parentheses, gambling the open, okay? And then I waited for such a good spot to get short at. You know what I mean? Like, were there trades before that? Yeah, because I told myself I'm not going to trade the first 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Was there a trade right here? Yeah, this was a nice trade too. VWAP came down to it, tested it. It was nice. It was nice. This was nice too. 389, 18 points. Not as nice, but it was okay. All right, but I just wanted a nice reaction. Okay, and I thought this was it. Okay, it was 722. We hit that fib level, front ran it. Okay, and then we came down, and I thought that was the move right there. Okay, and then I wanted to buy at the EMA, and I just wasn't comfortable with that. I wasn't. So I waited for it again, and it was just huge candle, right? Huge candle from here to here, 456 to 492. That's 46 points, 456 to 492. Oh, that's 36 points. 36 points in a candle, and I just wasn't believing that, so I took it. I thought there should be like a rejection here. I did not think we were going to just freaking, take out like yesterday's or pre-market highs, I just didn't believe in that. So, I took that trade and it worked out. Okay. It worked out. I got out with a profit. So, no one can say shit to me. You know what I'm saying? Could it have gone up? Yes. That's every trade. Every trade could go up or down. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is my 5th winning day on 3 accounts. 5th winning day on 3 of these accounts. And then because my fill was fucked up. So let's go here. Got all this shit. Shit. Where is it? Performance. There we go. So yeah, 4 trades. Wait, 4? What the fuck? I didn't take 4 trades. What is it talking about? Is it across my... What the hell? I took a short. I don't remember this. Oh, that's right. Fuck. Okay, I did. I took a trade at 5:20 in the PM during Asia session. That's right. I made $36 off there. That's right. I completely forgot about that. I completely forgot. Yeah, $36 at 5. I was like kind of wanting to just fucking itching for a trade, and I like took one with a mini because I'm fucking retarded. So yeah, that was that. But we don't count that. But on one of these days, see this is one of the accounts that I didn't get a winning day on. 187, and let's see, not that one, this one. Say 187, 177. These 2 accounts, the first account and the 4th account. Yeah, first, yeah, whatever. 2 accounts. I can't get a payout. Yeah, till tomorrow, because I need 5 winning days, and that only makes 4. So the other accounts, I can take a payout today. Right? Payout's going to be fucking huge. No matter what it is, right? It's going to be big. Okay? So check me out, right? So if I want the max payout, right? Let's do this. 1,151 plus, oh wait, no, that's what I made today. 2,461. 2,461 plus 2,376. 2,376 plus 2,476. 2,476. 2,451. 2,346. That's $12,010 that I've made in the past 5 trading days. Divided by 2, I can take home a cool 6,055 as of right now, but I need one more day, right? So what I'm going to do tomorrow is just get $200 on 2 of those accounts. So, that'll take my payout to plus 200. So I'll have $6,255. I'm not going to trade all 5 of my accounts tomorrow trying to make that 200. I'm just going to trade those 2 accounts, okay? And make all the accounts ready for a payout end of tomorrow, Friday. Right, and then I can just get I can not trade for a couple days until the money comes in, and then it's go time, right? Or what I can do is whatchamacallit, take out just a buffer. Okay, 6,055. Keep that in mind. Oh wait, we're gonna have that there. 6,055 as option 1, or option 2 is I keep the buffer, right? 461, because once you take a payout, the balance goes to 0, right? So the more money that you keep in there, right? The more of a drawdown that you have, So up till 50% is the limit, okay, how much you can take. You can't take more than that, okay? I can't just take out 2K per account. But if I hit 30 winning days, then that's different. Then I could, right? So what am I trying to say here? So if I take out just, if I just take out the amount above the drawdown that they give me, then I'll give myself the usual, drawdown that is allowed when you first get these accounts, even after a payout. I'm allowed to lose $2,000 before I just destroy the account, right? So that's another option. So 461, it's going to be much less, obviously. 376 plus 476 plus 451 plus 346. $2,010. So do I want $6,055 and have a $1,100 payout, or do I want to keep these accounts for think about the future and take out a $2,000 payout? And if I take a $2,000 payout, it's a 200% return on investment, 2.1. If I take a $6,000 payout, that's a 6x return, 6x return, 600% return. So $1,000 is still a good amount of money to work with. So I think I'm going to just put myself in a good mind space and take out a $6,055 payout plus 200 on each account. So that's 400, so an extra 200, so 6,255 should be the payout that I'm getting. Okay, I'm gonna set those accounts to I can't do shit now, but once it opens, I'm going to open up these accounts and set a $210 profit target. And for those two accounts, just trade those two with a couple micros, and fucking lock that shit in. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's my goal. But yeah, really good day. Okay, patience fucking pays, dude. Oh my god, I never understood it till now. Just staying patient for an hour and 40 minutes, just watching and doing nothing was so difficult. But this feeling is worth it. You know what I mean? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully tomorrow I can make a video about taking a fucking payout. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's hope for the fucking best. Knock on wood. Don't get too excited. Let's fucking bring it home, all right? It's a long time coming since I've taken a fucking payout. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. All right? Bye.